vlogger? Not really. Am I a content maker with specific topics? Yes, I am. But what am I gonna do today? I'm gonna vlog. The reason being is because my Amazon delivery didn't come in time and I cannot record what I wanted to record. What a disaster. So today I thought it would be a good opportunity to actually take you throughout my day. It is actually 11:30 in the morning. I still haven't had breakfast. I've been running around. I don't know what the hell I've been doing. Do you know when you're so busy getting things done but not actually getting the important things done? That's basically what I've been doing. I've been basically doing nothing. You see what I'm trying to say here? But honestly, this week especially, everything, all the content for the app, everything that includes the app needs to come together. It needs to be functioning right. So that is why I'm literally all over the place. I feel like my head and my focus has only got to do with this app to perfect it, to get it as perfect as possible before release date, which I will announce so soon. I promise you. I know I'm holding it off, but I just want to be 100% certain before I give you a release time and a release date. So that's why I've literally been all over the place. I feel like I'm not getting anything done. I just need to show you my washing is bad. Woo! Don't judge me if you judge me. So that's all clean washing, that's all dry washing, that's all wet washing, and that's all dirty washing. Well, guess what? I haven't been doing any washing because, well, I've been just trying to get this app fucking sorted, okay? My life is a disaster. Do I wanna reach for the Cocoa Pops right now and make my life very convenient? Probably, but I'm not going to, because I've not been eating well either, because I've been so busy in a rush trying to figure out my life, Christmas shopping, trying to be a woman and shave, try and get my nails done, actually put a bit of lipstick on. Girls, we have it hard. So if a man ever tells you that we don't have it hard, send him my way. I'm gonna snip him. But I'm going to make breakfast now. Okay. So you're taking the piss, you're taking the piss, you're taking the piss. It came just as I'm recording this video. It decided to come. So now I've calmed down. I'm coming to you with a more calm attitude, back to my normal self, okay? So what we're gonna make are some eggs. I've got my free-range eggs here. I've got some leeks that I'm gonna chop up and add to my scrambled eggs. I've got some salmon here, some smoked salmon, and I'm gonna have a crumpet or two as well. So, scramble my eggs, add my leeks, side portion of smoked salmon, 1 or 2 crumpets. I'll see how it goes. Because I'm not that hungry, but I am. Okay guys, so this is my breakfast. 3 whole eggs with leeks, some salmon, 2 crumpets. On top of my crumpets, I put this dairy-free spread on and also some ketchup on my eggs. So I'm gonna eat this and actually start my day. It's so late, so that's why I'm having a pretty good, wholesome breakfast, because I'm gonna have a lighter lunch. Okay, I just finished breakfast and I think what I'm gonna do now is just give this house a little clean, a little dust, because, oh my God, when you have a dog that has long hair, it goes everywhere. Literally, you molt too much, but I love you so much. I'm sorry, I didn't mean that. Oh, look at the tail. Oh, who's that at the door? Oh, okay, Buttons, you go first. Stay. Is that the handsome man I'm gonna marry? Oh, did someone get a haircut? Love you. Okay, calm down, bitch. He's still my man. So me and Jack are heading to the gym now. I'm going to be training some back and biceps. If you want to see that workout, just head to my Instagram and it will be there. I'm wearing, this is like the Ease bra from Gymshark. Oh, you guys know I love this bra. Always will love this bra, always will wear this bra. And these are kind of new leggings from Gymshark. I have no idea what they're called. I was sent them before I decided to leave. And I absolutely love them. This is the first time wearing them. They're so cozy. Oh, hold on a minute. Oh, oh. Oh, so yeah, really comfortable leggings. Ease bra, you guys know it's like one of my faves. I raved about this bra since day one. So right, let's go to the gym, let's get a workout in, and let's come back, get some work done, and then I'm heading to London because I'm doing some voiceovers for the app. So start workout complete. So I'm so excited to have those in the app as well, so you can actually hear my voice along your journey, which is really exciting. But if you don't want to hear my voice, that's fine. You can mute it as well. It's fine, it's fine. Okay, so before I head to the gym, just made myself a cheeky espresso. Hey, chin chin to the New Year's and holidays. And got my BCAs here, Women's Best. Always by my side. Women's Best is the best, pew pew. But also, I do have like coffee before I work out, or an hour before I work out. I do not have fat burners. I don't take any special pills and potions. I literally just have BCAAs, pre-workout once in a while, and my protein shake straight after my workout, or if I'm having it in my oats or protein pancakes in the morning. So those are the supplements I take. If you want to know more about supplements, I've made a video all about it. I've actually got 2 on my channel, so literally just scroll down and you'll find it there. So let's just chin chin. Oh, it's so bitter. I do put sugar in it, but I don't want to put too much sugar in it. And I still can't stomach like strong, but that's why it's bitter. I didn't actually stir the sugar. Stirring the sugar would have been a good idea. Fish. Still butters though. Okay guys, I'm back home from the gym. Let me just turn Chris country music off. Jack loves country music, he's absolutely obsessed with it. So I came back from the gym and I've just been upstairs for the past hour recording my Amazon activewear review. I'm really nervous about this one because normally I do all my Gymshark reviews, but as you guys know, I left Gymshark, but that gives me the opportunity to review activewear that I've always wanted to review, buy things that I've always wanted to buy, and just test things out and give you honest, brutal, blunt, to the point reviews. You know what I'm trying to say? You know what I'm trying to say. Also, this item is being reviewed. Items, I mean, you're gonna be shocked when I show you how amazing some of this stuff is. It will be live tomorrow, by the way, so hit that bell notification on so you don't miss that video. I am now gonna cook some food. So I'm gonna be making some prawn noodle stir fry with some veggies. I'm gonna whip this up for me and my hubby, and then we're gonna eat this, and then we're gonna get ready and head on over to London. Just got back home. I did my voice notes. So basically the voice notes are I'll put the camera here actually. So basically the voice notes are for the app. So the app will say stuff like start workout, workout complete, and just some motivational things. So it makes you keep on going. And eventually what we're hoping to do is, the beauty about an app is you can constantly add and develop. Like, it's not like a PDF where it's what you're selling is basically what the consumer gets. The app will consistently, yes buttons, the app will consistently be evolving, renovated, consistently be uploaded with new things. Especially if you get like the annually subscription, you will literally have new recipes every week, new workouts to try. So really excited about that. Oh buttons, you're so needy. Yes, I've only been gone for 3 hours. Oh, she's laying on me. So to conclude this video, I do have a cheeky giveaway, and thank you Loving Tan for, you know, doing this giveaway with me. If you guys know me, you know how much I love my fake tan. Me and fake tan, we got on very, very well. I've been using Loving Tan for 1 year now. I used to use another tan, but since using Loving Tan, wow, it's changed my life. So I'm gonna show you what I'm giving away. So Loving Tan is giving giving away to 2 people this amazing holiday package. How cute is this pink sparkly bag? Oh, I love it. Inside there is a application mitt. There will be an exfoliating glove. There are 2 tans. One that's a 2-hour express tan and one is a gradual tan. Well, gradual, you need to leave it on for 6 hours. It's amazing. And then you have like a body shimmer as well. All you have to do is make sure that you're subscribed to this channel and make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Just give Loving Tan a little cheeky follow on Instagram if you would like, just to support their page as well. And just comment below a way that I can contact you. Winners will be announced for all the giveaways this week on Monday's video, like always. So that is it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video and you liked this kind of like full day vlogging. I'm not kind of a vlogging kind of gal, but I did enjoy doing this with you guys. So yeah, I love you always and forever. Bye.